Hello everyone, Akshay here. Today we will do the task in FBD, that is the second popular language. Let's go ahead. We have already done the task in ladder diagram. We'll do the task in FBD. You yourself can do that as well. So pause the video for a while. FBD, sorry. Pause the video for a while and come up with a program. If you can't, do follow me then. So we require an AND gate and say OK. And place the AND gate in here. If you know the ladder diagram, you just need to translate the program in FBD, and I have told you how it can be done. As we require 3 input by default, the two inputs are provided, so you can adjust the number of the input by just dragging the black tab key in here, and you can see the cursor do change the symbol. So let's name this as x1, say yes, creating a variable x2, and this is x3. And as you remember from the ladder diagram, this was my normally open contact and this too will be normally closed contact, so you can invert this input by just clicking this, that is a toggle pin negation, and place in here and here. So basically we are just translating this program. As you can see the ladder diagram, x1 normally open, and we are doing, and you know that if it is in series then it will be and if it is in parallel it will be or. So let's go ahead and use the shortcut. Select it, say Control C to avoid a little bit of a Control V, place in here, again Control C, Control V. I'm doing to show it, otherwise I can simply do Control V all time and create as many as copies as possible. Now I will provide this negation in here, and I don't require this here, so delete it. I believe it doesn't get deleted, so you can pull that thing up again and it goes. So here, okay, so you have got what the logic is if you have got the ladder diagram, and as you can see, we wait a second. This and this are in parallel. These three conditions are satisfied in the FBD. Now we need to do in parallel, that is, it will take this or this path or this path. So basically we need a OR gate. If you are getting the language individually, that doesn't matter. You can simply follow the logic in here in FBD. If you are not getting, then that's the way out, by establishing the analogy between the two language. Here also we have two inputs, so just highlight this thing and drop down. So we require 3 numbers of input, that's it. So connect this with this, again this with this, and this with this, and what will be producing at output, that is light. That's it, we are done with the program in FBD, and it's fine if you are getting through the analogy of, if you're getting the language individually, it doesn't matter. And as you know, the best way to learn is to simulate the program. So let's simulate the program and set the value to 1 and 0 and learn the underlying logic. So we are trying to simulate the program now. File invalid PLC address, maybe it's not in a simulation mode. So now let's try and connect. Yeah, it's been connected. Okay, so my program is running now. So let's test the program. So what was my logic? Any of the key is pressed, then only my light should light up. If two keys are pressed, then it shouldn't light up. So let's start with doing pressing X1, set it value to 1. See, my light is glowing now. And what if I push X3 at the same time? See, so my if my both the keys are pressed at the same time, you can see they are green. So my light is not glowing. So my purpose is saved. It's a success now. So try it yourself. Fun learning. Have a great day ahead. Thanks for listening.